Traditionally, we add little castor oil along with hing, jeera, and garlic while cooking to reduce the bloating effect. Is it good to add a little bit of castor oil while cooking? Sir?
That may not be a right way of doing it, because castor oil is very much irritant. Not all the person who consume this will not be having a cruda costa. If it is a cruda costa, then there will be no issues. Otherwise, if a person is a mrudu costa and madhyama costa, then cooking anything with the castor oil definitely is going to cause disturbance in the longer run. So instead of adding aranda taila, any taila of regular type of edible grade oil, it can be used. It will also reduce the rukshata of the dal and all these things, and help to avoid the bloating. And to overcome that bloating only, we have added hing, jeera, and lashun and all these type of things. So these are very, vatahara in nature. That's the reason they are added.
And also, while adding spices, we also need to take care about the quantity. I mean, it should not be too much that it causes pitta aggravation together. Sir.
Definitely, our interest in adding the asafoetida or cumin or garlic into any traditional dishes, it's only to make it more palatable and helps in digestion of the material, which is the main course in that. And if it is considered in that fashion, that will be right. Just simply adding anything which is available, that may not be good.
We need to be like very careful with castor oil intake, especially I mean in children and also who are having mrudu costa and soft bowel, soft intestinal lumen and all. Things can go a little out of hand.
Yes, definitely. It's not a type of oil which should be used as a cooking media and or something like that, or adding something into the cooking material, because that may not be right type of things. Because even a 1 spoon of if it is added to everything may cause for some people, those who are mrudu costa and mild in nature, to 5 to 6 bubbles. So that is not a right way of adding.